Hey there, I'm Mike with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. Can a couple retire at 55 with $3 million? We'll dive into the key strategies and factors you need to consider to make that goal a reality. So, let's get started. Retiring at 55 with $3 million is possible, but it depends on how you structure your retirement income and manage potential risks like inflation, healthcare costs, and longevity. To help you understand the options, we're going to explore two common retirement strategies and how they can work with your $3 million retirement fund: the 4% rule and an annuity that pays $190,000 annually for life. The first strategy is the 4% rule. It's a popular method for determining how much you can withdraw annually from your retirement savings while reducing the risk of running out of money. Here's how it works. Under the 4% rule, you would withdraw 4% of your $3 million each year, which equals $120,000 annually. The 4% rule provides flexibility because your money remains invested in a diversified portfolio. This means that if the market does well, your principal could even grow over time, potentially increasing your financial cushion. However, this method isn't without risks. If the market takes a downturn, especially in the early years of retirement, what we call sequence of returns risk, it could seriously impact your long-term financial security. Plus, inflation means that the purchasing power of that $120,000 will decrease over time unless you adjust your withdrawals. Another option is purchasing an annuity that provides guaranteed income for life. For instance, you could opt for an annuity that pays $190,000 per year. This strategy offers stability and security in retirement. A fixed indexed annuity or an annuity with a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit, GLWB, could pay you $190,000 annually, guaranteed for life. With an annuity, you have the peace of mind that you won't outlive your income, and your payout stays steady regardless of market conditions. Some annuities even offer inflation protection, allowing your income to increase over time to keep up with rising costs. However, annuities come with a trade-off: liquidity. Your $3 million is essentially locked into the annuity, meaning you can't access the principal easily in case of emergencies. It's crucial to weigh this limitation against the stability it provides. Now, let's talk about Social Security. If you retire at 55, you won't be able to access Social Security right away. However, starting at age 62, you can begin collecting benefits. Delaying Social Security increases your monthly benefits, but even starting early can provide an additional income stream. The average monthly Social Security benefit is about $1,907, but your exact amount will depend on your earnings history. If both you and your spouse start collecting Social Security at age 62, it could add around $45,768 annually combined to your income. This extra amount can be a helpful supplement to your retirement strategy. Life insurance is another key piece of your retirement plan. Even at 55, it's important to have protection for each other in case the unexpected happens. A simple term, life insurance policy can be an affordable way to ensure that the surviving spouse is financially secure. You don't need an extravagant policy, just enough to cover your spouse's needs and future living expenses. This type of protection can bring peace of mind, knowing that your partner is covered if anything happens. Finally, let's talk about long-term care insurance. Healthcare costs in retirement can be significant, especially if you require long-term care. The cost of private home care in Georgia can range between $4,500 and $5,000 per month. Without LTC insurance, these expenses could quickly drain your retirement savings, potentially leaving a surviving spouse in a tough spot. By purchasing LTC insurance, you're ensuring that your care needs are covered, helping to protect your retirement savings from unexpected costs. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at the Annuity Expert or call us to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.